Hello everyone, welcome to online class of mathematics for class 5th. So students, in our last video we completed exercise 4a. In this video we will cover exercise 4b. So the question number 1 of exercise 4b is the sum of 3,48,750 and a number is 15 lakh. Find the number. So in this question you have been given the sum of two numbers, that is 3,48,750 and one number is 15 lakh. So students, to find out the other number we will subtract the first number from the sum of these two numbers. So as after subtraction, 15 lakh minus 3,48,750, we will get 11,51,250. This will be our other number. Question number 2, part A. How much is 6,24,803 short of 11,20,000? As we know that first number is smaller than the other number. So how much it is smaller? We will subtract 6,24,803 from 11,20,000. So it will be 4,95,197. It will be our answer. Part B. What should be added to 52,34,854 to make it 5,23,48,540. So for this we will subtract 52,34,854 from 5,23,48,540. So it will be 4,71,13,686. Question number 3. The difference of two numbers is 2,11,265. The bigger number is 50,02,000. Find the smaller number. So as we can see, the difference of these numbers is 2,11,265. Bigger number means minuend will be our 50,02,000. Now we have to find out the smaller number, means subtrahend. As we all know, subtrahend is equals to minuend minus difference. Means bigger number 50,02,000 minus 2,11,265. So our smaller number will be 47,90,735. Question number 4. The difference of the number is 3,25,066. If the smaller number is 98,437, find the larger number. As in this question difference is given plus your subtrahend is also given. Now we have to find out the minuend. So difference is equals to 3,25,066. Smaller number will be 98,437. So to find out minuend means a larger number, what we will do? We will add difference plus smaller number, means subtrahend. Now 3,25,066 plus 98,437. So our larger number means minuend will be 4,23,503. Question number 5. What number should be subtracted from the sum of 8,93,645 and 6,35,489 to get 10 lakh? So students, for this we will have to first add the first two numbers and take out their sum. So first number is 8,93,645. The other number is 6,35,489. Now we will take out the sum of these two numbers. It will be 15,29,134. Now we will subtract 10 lakh from the sum of these two numbers. So 15,29,134 minus 10 lakh. So the answer will be 5,29,134. Question number 6. The population of a country was 5,10,37,200 in the year 2000. In the year 2010, the population became 5,74,69,450. What was the increase in population? So students, in this question you have to tell how much the population was increased from the year 2000 to 2010. So population in the year 2000 was 5,10,37,200. Population in the year 2010, 5,74,69,450. Now to take out the increase in population, we will subtract the population in the year 2000 from population in the year 2010. So this is our population in the year 2010 minus population in the year 2000. So increase in population is 64,32,250. Question number 7. A man bought a piece of land for rupees 8,53,760. He spent rupees 15,46,920 to build a house on it. After that, he sold the house for rupees 30 lakh. How much money did he gain? So cost price of land is 8,53,760 and money spent in building the house is rupees 15,46,920. Now the total cost or money which was spent was, we will add the cost price of land plus money spent in building the house. So the total cost will be 24,680. Now students, as we can see that he sold the house for 30 lakh and cost price 24,680. That means he gained money. Now how much he gained? Money gained or profit will be calculated by subtracting cost price from selling price. So 30 lakh minus 24,680 and hence the profit will be 5,99,320. This will be the profit. So students, I hope you might have understood these exercises which we covered in this video. So for homework, you have to do question number 8, 9, 10 and 11 of exercise 4B in your notebook. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.